says that I should really say sorry, but I was driving in my new Ferrari, and his blood, it left a big stain. His dad is suing me